Hi, and welcome to my dining room, but more specifically, this area of the dining room. This is the place where our cats show up to breakfast and dinner to far too early, and also one of the places where they sharpen their little finger swords, as you can tell, which brings me to why I'm making this video. Now, I really love to eat dinner with the entire family, but this is such an eyesore. I'm just really not a fan, okay? I hate it. I hate it. I want to try something else. And I'm really trying to work on the interior design around here and have fun playing with different ideas, right? And an idea that I'm having right now is it's maybe not to have that anymore. Now, they have plenty of other places to sharpen their little finger swords at. So really they're not gonna care if that's gone.
However,
there is one main reason why the cat tree has stayed in the family this long, and that is because of this guy right here. You see, it's very important that we make sure that the cat dishes are out of reach of this guy, and I don't want to have to separate everybody at mealtime. So, the cat tree thus far has served an important purpose that will need to be taken into consideration in my solution. The solution that I've decided on, that I'm not really sure if it will turn out cute or look horrendously stupid, but I'm still making a video about because I haven't seen this on the internet yet. And I want to know what other people will think, if it looks cute or really, really stupid, and if I've done something really stupid in my house. Yeah. Now, the idea that I'm having is to make the girls their own individual feeding station. It'll be like their own personal dining tables, sort of. I found some child-sized seating and some small floating shelves. I also got a little carried away and even got cute little pieces of artwork to like hang up for them to make it look a little more curated and cutesy, hopefully. It's so cute. Look at it. I even found these babushkas. They look just like the girls. They'll act as nameplates because these piggies need assigned seating. And they also can't sit next to each other because they will be a disruption to the class. I haven't yet, but I will make wool seat cushions for them. So that way the girls can be comfortable while they feast. I'll probably include it in the video. You'll probably see it at some point. So yeah, I hope that this will turn out really cute and not look horrendously stupid. I guess stick around and find out. But first, I couldn't do construction things dressed like that. Oh, sorry, Chloe. Holy crap. I didn't even think about how heavy this would be. Wow, this was heavier than I was expecting. I don't recall it being this heavy. These boxes are full of really pretty china that was passed down to me that I just don't yet have the proper storage cabinet to give them the storage space that they deserve. So for now, they still live in their boxes. But look at how pretty this is. Like, are you freaking kidding me? That's so stinking pretty. Okay, so for what I'm envisioning is to move our little makeshift minibar over to the wall where the cat tree was, like closer in the corner, and then have one feeding station, one dining table here, and then another here on this chunk of wall. And then everyone will be separated and class will not be disturbed. So originally I did want to wait to try to do this until after we painted the walls, but paint's expensive and we need a lot of it. And I couldn't stand looking at that tree anymore. It just was really ugly. I'm sorry. And side note, I was waiting to put baseboards down until after I painted. So okay, just don't worry about it. Okay, just don't worry about it. Okay. Which shade of white do you think we should go with? And for this part of the video, I will not be wearing my glasses because, well, when handling tools, I kind of need to see what I'm doing. So you will see the glorious back of my head as I get these up. I should probably put the chair in place so that way I have a better idea of where I want to put the shelf, yeah? So I was thinking of like having the chair be a little angled. Also, you know what? Let me take care of that stupid tag first. Why do stickers do this? Okay, let's see where we should put this. I feel like that's not too tall. This should be a good height and also a good distance from the chair. And then that's level right there. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, cool. That worked perfectly. Okay, I think it should be like right around here, right? Maybe? Like that? I think so. Oops. Okay, will that be a good height? I hope so. Let's simulate it a little bit. Here, Mama. Here, Mama. Thanks, girls. Okay, now power drill. Okay, so like, would it look better with like it over here off to the side? Or like up top? To try to, what if I do this? Does that look good? Would that be cute? I don't know. I think like a little off to the side maybe is better. What do you think I should do? Can you let me know right now? Would it be over here? Or would that be too crowded? I don't know. Maybe I want it to look crowded. Okay, well, either way, I know this is going here. So, okay, what did I say? Like right here, yeah? Like, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Okay, now what if, okay, no, that's nope. And, oh, perfect. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, final answer. Here or here? I don't think up top. That would look cute. It would be more in Chloe's eyesight if it were down here. is it more visually pleasing for the house to be here? I think I should just stick it here. It's for Chloe's viewing pleasure, and that's what matters. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. That is so cute. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. This is turning out cuter than I thought it would. I was afraid this was gonna look really dumb and weird. But this looks really cute. I'm really excited. Okay, and now for ebonies. So I do kind of want to stack ebonies though. However, I was wondering if it would be cuter to have the smaller one on the bottom. I think that would look really cute. So I'm gonna try it. I just think that's a little more visually interesting. So I would like to do it like this. I should probably hang this little guy first. Right there? Yeah, I think so. There, sure. Yeah, we'll try that. Okay, there we go. And then, oh no, I broke it. No. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I got this. I just need it. Okay, I can just stick it back in, and then if I'm careful, then I can just, okay. There we go. Oh my gosh. If I would have broken it, I would have cried. There. Is that centered? Oh no, is that centered? That is not centered. No biggie. My house, don't care. So like really, the nail should be like right here. That's centered, right? Yeah, okay. Cool. Does that look centered? Yes, okay. See, we only had to guess and check once. It's fine. My method is not totally terrible. All right, now, okay, that should be like right like there, yeah. Yes, that looks gorgeous. Okay. Oh, okay, wait. I need the nail to be out a little bit more though, because this frame is deep. Okay. How does that look? Oh, no. Excuse me. Okay, I will have to fix that later, but for now and for your viewing purposes only, it will remain in the condition that it is in. Does that look good though? I think so. I think that's pretty cute. That's cute. I promise that they're trained not to eat any of the plants. Like they don't mess with the plants. So it's okay. I promise. Otherwise, it would not be here. Actually, I don't want that there. All right, that's not where that's gonna go, but that's just where that's gonna be for now. It is probably irresponsible of me to put my daughter's seat within such easy reach of the alcohol bottles, but she did also just turn 11 a couple weeks ago, so she technically is of age and has been for a while. I just have a hard time accepting that she's so grown up already. Yeah, it'll be nice once they're showing up here, because this is very cluttered.
Okay, so you'll have to excuse me if I sound sick, because I am sick. But all in all, I gotta say, I absolutely love how it turned out. It looks exactly how I was envisioning it, and I am so excited about that. Also, I pulled this rug from a different room. I kind of would like to get another rug for Ebony's, but for now, I think the cats approve.